Hey there and welcome to another video. My name is Hugh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create small batch compost tea for your plants. And this is a great way to create a fertilizer that's easily absorbable by your plants, and you only have to make a small batch, so you don't have to worry about wasting any of it. So this is the easiest way that I found to do it, and this is the way that I do it. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so here are the supplies you're going to need for this project. Some worm castings. You're going to need a sock that you don't mind getting dirty or throwing away, a small plastic tub, backstrap molasses, a spoon, an aquarium air pump, and some water. Okay, so these are the worm castings I use. These are the premium worm castings from the Arizona Worm Farm. If you're in Arizona and anywhere near Phoenix, check them out. Next, I'm going to put some water in the plastic tub. This is filtered water. You can use whatever you want. You should probably fill it up a little bit more than I did here. So now I'm going to open up the worm castings and put a few scoops into the sock. And once I have the worm castings in the sock, I'm going to tie a knot at the top so it doesn't all come out. And I'm just going to put that into the water. Okay, the next step is to get the molasses and put that into the spoon. And for such a small bin, you only need about 1 tablespoon, but you can put another one if you want. And that is basically the food for the microbes so that they have something to munch on and they can start propagating. Okay, so once you have the molasses in there, you just want to mix that around a little bit so it's fairly even. All right, once that's completed, then all you do is you put the aquarium aerator in there with the stone at the end, and you just leave that overnight. Generally speaking, the more bubbles you have, the more microbes are growing in there. So that's always a good sign. Then you can just put this in a spray bottle and you can spray it on your plants, or you can water your plants with it. Be sure to keep it in the refrigerator if you don't use it all up, because it'll spoil otherwise, the microbes will die. But that's about it. Really simple, really easy way to create small batch plant fertilizer. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the channel to get more videos like this. And if there are any other tutorials you want to see, leave your idea in the comments below. Thanks for watching.